Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's a short video on my Wonder Woman leg armour made from 2 and 5mm foam. As always, I hope you enjoy. I would not have been able to make this leg armour without the wonderful patterns from Kamui Cosplay. I simply printed them off, cut them out, stuck them together and then transferred them over to foam. Where each piece of foam joined one another, I cut them at a 45-degree angle. This was crucial to help keep the shape. I repeated this pattern process for the rest of the leg armour. Once all the foam pieces were cut out, it was time to use a contact adhesive to stick them all together. I forgot to film the next process, but I basically used my wood burning tool to begin engraving all the smaller details, particularly the scratches, as I wanted my armour battle worn. Once happy, I used plaster dip to prepare my foam for painting. I started with the red sections first. For this I simply used some cheap red acrylic before using black to add the shading where necessary. Next I went over the gold details for the rest of the leg armour. My painting style is that once I've added all the shading, I go over in a gold along the outlines. I feel like this helps make a nice metal effect. I chose to go for a Velcro fastening for my leg armour, so I began by cutting multiple brown leather straps. I made small incisions along the sides of my leg armour to thread through my straps. I then used a belt hole puncher to make some small holes in the straps so I could push some split pins through. I used 16mm black Velcro and cut to the appropriate size of each strap. I've seen so many people use a variety of different footwear for Wonder Woman, but I chose to go for low heel ankle boots. I simply began by cutting off all the unnecessary detailing. For the wedge, I used tracing paper to create the pattern before transferring it onto foam. Using a gold metallic spray paint, I began applying the base coat. For the shoe cover, I used another Kamui Cosplay pattern. Once all the pieces were stuck together, I began cutting out the smaller details using 2mm foam, before sealing in plaster dip again. Following the same techniques I used on the shin guards, I began applying the straps. Once I was happy, it was time to stick the panels onto the boots. The final step is to simply add shading where you'd like. And there you have it.